Hey guys, hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're gonna be doing this low bun updo. Okay, if it's your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, have your bell notification on, and all that good stuff. But without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and step right into the video. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel Alright guys, so I'm starting out on like damp hair. I know. So I washed my hair like a couple weeks ago, but I have just not had a chance to do my hair. So anyways, I'm not gonna get into that, but I ended up like wetting the hair just to make sure that I bring it back to life. So that's what we're working with. Okay, so as you guys already know, if you've been watching me, but if you don't know and you're new to my channel, I live by Eco Style Gel, olive oil Eco Style Gel. So that's what I'm gonna be using to style this hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair into two parts because it just makes it easy for me to style it. Not easy, but more like I don't want to pull it so much. Okay, so I'm gonna like split it in two and then brush it, gel it down, and then take the remaining part and connect it with the rest. Okay, you guys are gonna see. I'm gonna see what I'm talking about. Okay, but that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so I'm gonna see. So that's what I'm doing right here, and then it's also gonna make it slick down better. Like not have like a little hump. You want it to like be nice and sleek and not look puffy. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tie that with the hair tie, and then I'll do the same to the rest of the hair. But before I do that, I'm gonna split it in the middle because this is gonna be like a middle part, not a side part. Okay, but obviously if you're going for a side part and that's your thing, then go ahead. But yeah, this is gonna be a middle part. It's gonna split the hair into two parts, and then we're gonna slick it down. And then I'm gonna use a brush to make sure that my hair is nice and sleek. Okay, like so. And then I'm gonna put as much gel as I want to, because I want to. All right. Yeah. And then I'll do the same on the other side. And then I'm gonna use a hair tie to put everything together. Okay. But obviously I have to brush the hair just to make sure it's nice and sleek, it's sitting nicely and all that good stuff. All right, and then I use a hair tie to tie the rest of the hair. And then after I tie the hair, I'm gonna go back with the brush just to make sure it's we just make sure that it's sleek, because the hair that I'm using is kind of like a silky texture, so I just want it to kind of blend in with my natural hair a little bit better. All right, now I'm gonna be using this touchdown gel edge control. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna be using this touchdown edge control, and I'm just using this on the perimeters of my hair and also like on top a little bit. This will give it like a little shine, you know what I'm saying, just to further like bring out the hair, make it look shiny and sleek. And then obviously with the brush I'll go over it again. And then my little puff at the end there, I'm just gonna twist it up. And obviously using a obviously using a silk scarf, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie the hair, and after I do this, I'm gonna go do my makeup. Okay, and then I'll be right back. Before I go, let me show you all the hair that I'm using. I'm going to be using this expression hair, and it's I believe 96 inches. Okay, and it's 1B. Yeah, so that's the only hair that I'm gonna be using, as you guys can see. So before I went ahead and did my makeup, I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like. It's really long, and I'll take out the rubber band that it comes with and then split the hair. That way I can have that little piece that I'm gonna use as my rubber band, that little piece that I'm gonna use as my headband, because it's like a low band a low band goddess headband type of thing going on. You guys will see. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Split it like so, and then put that away, and then put the rubber band back on, because we need that rubber band to attach it to the hair when we're done. Okay, when we're done, you know, twisting the hair. Okay, and that's it. So I'm gonna be back, and so off camera I went ahead and twisted the hair and braided the headband. All right, she's back. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna remove the scarf and then attach the hair back of my head. So that's how the hair looks. That's the hair that I twisted. And guys, it's really easy to attach this. Just gonna use that rubber band, or you can use a hair tie, you know, just to attach it to the hair. And that's what I'm doing right here. And then I'm just gonna twist it around that little band that I have going on. It is literally that easy. But as I'm doing that, I made sure that I cover the band, so I'm gonna use some bobby pins to do that. But yeah, I'm just like trying to cover it right here, and then after that I'm just continuing to twist it around the band. After I'm done twisting around the band, I'm gonna go ahead and use bobby pins, and I'll just go through the band itself, the twisted band, make sure it's sitting nice, and use bobby pins and work with it, and just make sure, you know, it's sitting nice. You guys know the drill, okay? And secure it. Okay, after we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and attach the headband thingy, the braided headband, or if you want to just call it like a little goddess braid. But I think it was a little bit thin that I would have wanted it to be, but that's okay. So I just went ahead and put it round, so it went round twice, and then secure with a bobby pin like so. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, and this is the finished look, guys. How beautiful is this look? I feel like it's so classy, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. I love it so much. Okay, and yeah, like I say, it's so easy to achieve. If you are going for an elegant look but you're in a hurry, this is a perfect hairstyle, and you just don't want to deal with your natural hair, which is bad sometimes, but you know, sometimes it is what it is. Yeah, this is the finished look. I love it. It's classic. Okay. Okay, this is it for this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.